Okay, so this is just a follow-on from my previous video, the quantum imagination, and basically it's about us. It's about humanity exploring. So, as we all know, we love to explore. We created balloons and planes so that we can lift off the ground. We created space shuttles so that we could fly off and explore other parts of our solar system, and we're trying to explore the galaxy through different telescopes and things like that. So we really like to know about things all around us. But what if we were trying to explore another universe? So I talked a bit about how there are many different parallel universes, all of which, well, some of which are very similar to us. So what if one day scientists created an object which would let them jump from one universe into another universe, like a big box. You might stand in it, pull a lever, and you would be teleported, jumped, whatever you want to call it, into this other universe. Now there are some problems with this, because first off we'd have to ensure the safety of the machine's pilot, because this thing is going to cost a lot of money if we can do it. I'm not saying we can. I've never heard of any possible ideas of us being able to do it, but if we could, it's going to cost a lot of money. There's going to be a lot of scientists working on it, and it's all going to come down to that one pilot, or there might even be more. It all comes down to them jumping into the other universe and hopefully coming back at some point. That's the idea, just to see if they can get there and back. So what we have to think about is their safety. Are they going to be safe? And how can they possibly know? The only way we could really know is if we knew more about the other universe. But we can't know more about the other universe until they get back. So we don't know if they're going to be safe. Which means we need someone who can definitely survive out there. I'm not saying we should send Bear Grylls in, because he has never tried anything like this before. He's probably not very trusted by scientists. No offense. But, you know, it's something we can think about, is can we ensure their safety? But then also you've got other problems, like if they get there, what if the people in the other universe want to keep this parallel dimension jumping box? Because obviously it's worth a lot of money, and they might be able to use it to jump to another place. What if we jump? What if our parallel universe traveller jumps into a universe where the Earth is slowly wasting away and everyone's dying? What if they try and replicate the technologies to jump back into our universe? Then we have problems with millions, or potentially billions of people coming to our planet Earth. And, you know, that would be a very difficult thing to deal with because it's so many people. Another thing you could think about is we'd have to make sure that this box machine can jump through distance as well as through universes. So basically, if you had the person in the box, they travelled to a parallel universe. So our Earth is here, they jump to another planet Earth here. Now for however long they spend on this planet Earth, they're both going to be moving around the sun, say, so this is just an idea. But what if in the parallel universe the planet Earth moves the other way, so they're going like this? Then you get a problem, because the person might make the jump when they're on the same side of the sun. They jump from here to here. But then if they're moving in opposite directions, you'd have problems about when they jump back. So that's something to think about, because they'd have to jump through space as well as universes. It's a very complicated way of thinking about it, I guess. But basically, there is no basically. How on earth are they going to deal with getting there and getting back? Because they need to be able to communicate with these people beforehand. Also, another thing we can think about is, what if they jump to a universe where there's just a black hole where the Earth is? so they'd just die. And we'd never know if they get back, because we'd have to set up some sort of timing thing. This can go so many ways, but let's say they jump to the other universe, and they've been told they have to get back in 24 hours. What if they jump to a universe where time happens differently? What if 24 hours for them is 5 years for us, and they don't come back until 5 years later, when people thought, oh, they've disappeared, they've gone forever, let's never work with parallel universes ever again because we'll all die. Or something like that. So, just a couple of things for you to think about, if you want to. If you don't watch my videos. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more random ideas about universes, physicsy stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one.